How to open an account with Qatar Islamic Bank. So if you want to open an account with Qatar Islamic Bank, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, make sure that you have an internet connection. Now you need to go with the search and you need to search for Qatar Islamic Bank. After that, here you will have www.qib.com.qa. So you need to just click on it and it will take you to the home page of the website. So from here, if you want to create an account, now you need to go with online banking, which is on the top right. And from here, you can select the personal, corporate, or rewards or BPS online, any option that you're comfortable with. I'll just simply go with the personal section. From the personal, now if you have your login credentials, then you can enter your login credentials and then log in. But if you don't have your login credentials and if you want to register or create an account, then you need to go with register your account. From here, if you want to create an account, then you need to enter your card number. The card number is a 16-digit card number that is found in front of your ATM card. Enter your card number, your ATM card PIN, which is a 4-digit PIN used with your ATM card, and then your ATM card expiry date. And after that, go with continue. And once you click on continue and confirm your details, you need to accept the terms and conditions on the next step. So go and accept it. After accepting the terms and conditions, the last step will be your login credentials. So you need to create your ID and your password. And after creating that, your account will be created. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.